Here's something that surprises a lot of finance professionals. You can hand the exact same AI two requests about the exact same spreadsheet and get two completely different results. One comes back vague and generic. The other reads like it came from a sharp analyst who already knows your business. The difference isn't the AI, it's how you asked. Learn to ask well, and AI can draft your variance analysis, summarize a board report, or research a tax question in minutes. That single skill is fast becoming one of the most valuable things on a finance resume. Look at the two prompts on screen. On the left, the vague version. Just analyze these financials. The AI does its best, but with no direction it gives you a generic data dump. It's accurate, but it's not in your format, it doesn't know what you actually care about, and you'd still have to reshape it into something useful. Now look at the right side, the engineered prompt. It tells the AI who it is, gives it context about the company, names the exact task, and specifies the format you want back. Same AI, same numbers. But now the answer comes back as a focused, decision-ready memo. The key ratios, the trends that matter, and the single biggest concern. In plain English, you can send straight to the CFO. That's the whole game. So what is prompt engineering? It's simply the skill of writing instructions that get an AI to do exactly what you need, reliably. And good prompts share a common anatomy. First, a role. Tell the AI to act as a financial analyst or a tax specialist, and it adopts that expertise. Second, context, the company, the period, the numbers it's working with. Third, the task, the specific thing you want done stated clearly. Fourth, the format, a table, a memo, 3 bullet points. And finally, constraints. What to include, what to leave out, how detailed to get. Stack those 5 pieces together, and a fuzzy request becomes a precise instruction the AI can actually nail. Here's where we're headed. This course is built around the real work you already do. You'll use AI for financial analysis, ratios, variances, and spotting trends in the numbers. You'll generate management reports, executive summaries, and board-ready presentations in a fraction of the time. We'll pull data out of invoices, contracts, and statements automatically. You'll build forecasts and run scenarios, prepare for audits, research tricky tax questions, and sharpen your client communication. And throughout, we'll cover automation opportunities and the professional limits, what you must verify, and what you should never hand off to a machine. And here's the best part. This entire course is 100% free. No paywall, no trial, no credit card. Every lesson comes with an interactive playground built right into the page, so you can test a prompt and see the AI respond without ever leaving your browser. And when you finish, you earn a free certificate you can add straight to your resume or your LinkedIn profile. Real, shareable proof that you know how to put AI to work in finance and accounting. So let's get started. The next lesson, Module 1, breaks down how AI actually works and where it fits in finance and accounting. Jump in now, it's completely free. And don't just watch. Try the prompts yourself, right here in the lesson playground, or paste them into a tool like ChatGPT or Claude and see what comes back. The fastest way to learn this is to do it. See you in Module 1.